Hello and welcome to Printavo, the simplest way to manage your screen printing, embroidery, and print shop. My name is Bruce Ackerman. I'm the founder and owner of Printavo, and I'd like to walk you through the product so you can understand how it works. Now once you log in or sign up for an account, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is where all your orders will show up on a calendar. Now yours might be empty right now, but once you fill it in, it'll look similar to this. Each is color-coded based on the order status that you set. You can go to a previous month or a month in the future if you'd like here on the top right. Now once you click alerts, you'll be able to see a news feed of what's been going on in your shop. This is great for if someone edits an order, updates an order, or creates a customer. It'll show up here with the timestamp of when that happened so that you know exactly what's going on in your shop. Under my account is also Invoiced Categories. Now categories are how you identify line items. For example, sizes of shirts, types of products, fees, and more can be created with categories. Now if you use a fee, your line item amount will just be a negative number instead of a positive number, which will add an amount to your invoice. Now under my account, you also have products. Products are a great way to store the base unit cost and name of a product so that it'll autofill when you type it into the invoice. And I'll show you an example in a second. You can also edit them and delete them from here. Employees. This is where if you have multiple employees or sales reps, you can add them to your account with special permissions. If you don't want them to view books or create orders or create transactions, you can edit that here. Remember, everything will also be synced to your alerts so that if one of your employees edits an order or creates a customer or updates an order, that'll show up in the alerts menu bar. Now when you go to the new order page, this is where you'll be able to add a category to your line items, edit the due date, edit the sales tax, discounts, production notes, which are only visible to your shop, create a nickname to help you remember it, and start typing in a product, which will bring up its cost and quantity. Now type in the quantity and edit the unit cost, and your invoice is almost ready to go. If you'd like to add a mock-up, you can do so here. Now once you click create, you'll be taken to your show page for the invoice. This is a nice clean display that you can send to your customers using the public link. The public link is an encrypted URL that is visible to your customers. From here, they can improve the artwork or pay a specific amount that you've requested. They can also click on the image to see a larger view. Now let's go back to the order page. This is where you collect payment. You enter in the amount that you'd like and a description that gets sent to your customer. We use PayPal. Now if you don't use PayPal, you can also add a manual amount. Say you already have a POS system set up and they pay in cash at your store. You could just add the amount here and a description. Hit submit and you're done. Now if you'd like to email the invoice with that public link to your customer, you type it in here. Hit send, and the order will send directly to the customer with a link to the invoice so that they can view it. Now, order statuses are a great way to see the process of the order in your shop. Each is color-coded and editable if you hit the edit button. You can fix this to be exactly how your shop currently operates. Artwork approval is very simple in Printavo. If you want to unapprove artwork, you just hit unapprove and OK. Now customers cannot unapprove it once they've already approved it. Customers will be able to see this public invoice page, hit approve artwork, type in their name to verify that everything is correct, and hit approve. This shows up on your alerts feed now, and when you refresh the page, it'll show who approved it, so you could see exactly who approved and make sure that you don't have any problems when you ship your product. You can download a PDF or print off a work order for your printers that does not have the pricing on it. Lastly is Books. Books is the page that will show you some basic analytics about what is going on in your shop. For example, the orders created per day in Printavo, as well as run reports on total sales and sales tax. You can also see a list of completed transactions below. I hope you've enjoyed Printavo, and if you have any questions at all, please email me, bruce@printavo.com, and I'll respond to you promptly. Have a great day.